right, recording.
Oh man.
All right, so I'm just gonna say how it's gonna work. You just ask a question.
Nice
Just say it was
weather.
directed at.
Okay.
Oh, look, it's Sail Jr.
Well.
Look at him. Well.
gotta
Look
ask
who
the
decided to
questions.
show up after being 2 laps down.
Who had? Are we seriously not having questions?
Jackson, honk.
Huh?
Hang
Oh,
on that.
Our driver just had a heart attack.
We had a death.
Oh, J-Dub's here. Ban him.
Why is he booing
Kick
us?
J-Dub.
What did I do?
Well, it didn't even click him. He just banned him. He just joined back.
You guys should make me easy for real.
Uh-oh. Whoops. I hope I can undo that. More the ball.
Should I be the
Notice
fucking
that in
question
the-
guy? And then you guys interview me afterwards?
Now you know what, at this point I'm thinking just reschedule it to later in the week.
Oh man.
I did
Hold
all
on,
that
I got a
work.
question. Hold on.
Yeah, you did all this work because we pinged for it multiple times, and then almost nobody listened.
What
Oh
the fuck?
man. Do that.
Well, y'all
Make
didn't y'all
make
only
that
ping
diamond
D1
very fat.
playoffs. Y'all didn't ping any
Make diamond
clash.
fat.
Clutch, I have a question.
Make diamond fat.
Hold on, what?
Why did you give me the Daytona chassis, you fucking asshole?
Shut up.
My
Trying to
fucking
make
steering
diamond
was
fat.
broke for half the race, you dick.
Okay.
Actually, matter of fact, Ping can't get caught in here or something.
I gotta go eat. I gotta go eat.
Ping every
It's just gonna be
Orange mohawk hair.
one of the people who's asking questions ask a question and then just say who it's directed to, or just say anybody can answer it.
All out on you guys.
Me first.
win.
Me never.
Alright,
Me
hold on.
never.
Hold on, wait, let's get everything set up and recording.
I'm recording.
I just.
Oh, this is going.
Yes, this is
YouTube?
being recorded.
Oh, no.
Do not stupid with your questions.
Since I
Jake
Oh,
was
how
about to ask
massive
something
is
with a
it?
slur in it. I know it.
Clutch, are you packing a monster down there, or are you packing a ghost?
What the fuck type of question is that?
Okay, race-related questions.
Race-related questions.
Playoff related questions.
Yes,
playoff related.
Keep it on topic.
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna struggle with this one.
Like, ask how our performance was, I guess, for Bristol.
Alright.
I hope Pengo knows I almost beat him out of the playoffs if I could have won. I should be
Skill
sitting
issue.
up there. Man.
Yeah, shut up.
I have to walk my pet dolphin.
Trent.
I'll be right back.
Trent looks like a
Clutch is
cancer
done.
patient.
No.
The fuck is that walk?
Okay,
Hey,
guys.
is Diamond here? Diamond here?
I'm about to put this shit in the draft.
Yo, look at Diamond's look at Diamond's face.
Yo.
Like how sad he
What's
is.
good? What's popping, y'all?
What's poppin', y'all?
That chair's definitely popping after Diamond gets out. What is it?
Like how stretched the Ford
Okay,
logo.
well.
Oh yeah. I'm getting some of this.
Boom, boom.
This is not made for kids.
Bro.
Oh, yeah.
This is so not made for kids. You do bot.
You expect kids to watch this?
No.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I label it as not for kids.
I'll get it from the front. Hold on. Take it. Scoot over here.
Lenny, you have
Lee,
cancer bones.
Cancer bones.
How many playoff drivers are there?
12.
12.
1, 2,
Good.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Fuck,
7,
leave or some
8,
shit?
9, 10. There's
Bonk.
10 with us right now. Well, Clutch
Where'd
left.
Clunk go?
All right, hear me out. If Pango doesn't race, can I get in the playoffs?
Clutch is back.
I'll slip you a little money under the table too.
That's not.
JK,
Good.
no, that we're not running corrupt shit.
Come on. I'm better
What?
playoff driver than Panga.
On ticket rated.
We're all locked in here like a bunch of fucking flies.
JK, look at my hair.
Can you quit walking like that? God.
JK, ask a question, JK. Ask a question.
Oh, we just start asking questions now?
I would definitely do it.
We've been asking
I want
questions.
to go touch some grass.
Wait. For this, please. For
Wait.
This, gotta ask.
Trent looks like a cancer patient who's severely autistic. Diamond
We
just looks
start
like him in
now.
real life. And the rest of you just look normal.
I'm
Oh,
living up to my name of emo.
Can we start now or not?
We've been started.
I'm just gonna postpone it.
Oh yeah, postpone this shit if people don't show up because it's annoying.
Yeah, because people. No, we have people showed up. That's not the problem.
Wife
There's
didn't
no
ask
people
her.
that are asking questions.
People are
Oh.
just
Yeah.
being
I'm
annoying.
back.
can we do like 18 different voices? Oh, this guy's myself.
Come on. You also just like Trent should just like ban Lenny real quick.
Oh,
Lenny has died due to severe autism.
Oh, he's
Yo, look how big that
Hmm.
diamond is.
Wait,
is Trent still here? Trent.
On.
No.
Gave
Fuck.
Will a kiss.
JK, ask a question.
Yo, can I lick a wall? All right.
Wait, no, he didn't kiss me. Wait.
Oh wait, yeah. Let me kisses. On.
There you go.
All right.
Fuck out.
I don't want to give you a
Hello?
kiss.
Kalon leaves. Kalon leaves.
Come here, I'll
Why
lick
am I so
I'm
wide?
walking.
He wants a wet
I'm
kiss.
On.
walking out.
No, no.
Why am I so wide?
Why did he say pussy?
What do you mean you're not that wide, Diamond?
Alright,
We're
alright,
gonna be back to normal.
Alright.
Come here.
Can you fucking
Come here, Penguin. Come here. Come here. Give me a smooch, big. Come on.
Like, if he spook.
Diamond,
what are we
you're
doing
normal
right now?
size, dog. What are you
Huh?
on about? Diamond, you're normal size.
Joey,
What are
I'll
you
lick
on
your
about?
helmet again. Hold on, let me just. Hold on, I'm
What
fogging
are we
up his
doing right now?
visor here.
Why are there sound effects?
There.
Oh my god! Are we doing media day or are we
Come
just
here.
like?
No, I'm about to postpone it, Diamond. I'm postponing it to tomorrow.
Nah.
No, where's Trent?
So is this
He's
just
right here.
funny moments now?
Yeah, I need him here
Yeah,
now.
this is
bro.
just funny moments. Me
Annoying
smooching the entire NSS.
Walk.
What is?
What the fuck
Get a
is
load
that
of
rock?
guy.
Lenny kisses
Just keep
the
hitting him
entire
around.
NSS playoff ring? Gone wild?
Hold on, Wispy. I can just add McLaren to this.
Hold on, let me
Why
defog
is
Joey's
Lenny
mirror or
floating?
visor. Hold on.
Mirror. Yeah, it probably got dirty from the Daytona that
I'm
race that
stuck.
we
Is
just
it-
did. I turned in
Is
the
it,
priest.
can you see Joey?
Wait a minute. I was priest.
Is your
I
visor
was a
clear?
priest number and I flipped at Daytona. I am priest.
Diamond, Diamond. If you say so, come here, Diamond.
Get off my head, you man.
No!
Anyways,
No! No!
What do you mean
I
no?
think you're
No.
oh man,
Oh,
he's
that
too
is
fat to
so
touch feet. Jelly.
This is what happens in the
Bro, is
NSS.
jelly roll. I let you.
I'm a fat.
I'm just gonna
Player's here. I gotta give player a smooch. Hold on.
All right, Bucker.
Come here, player. Let me give you a smooch, player.
NSS moments that
Anyways.
that he leaves the will to live.
I let you.
Hi, Carl.
I declare
very professional.
that this.
I let you.
It's stupid.
Spit it out, Junior. What, are you sleeping behind there? Come on, wake up. Wakey, wakey.
But this,
That walk. You know what, Joey? I'm fogging up your fucking visor. You ain't seeing shit. Hold on. More blind than Stevie Wonder. You ready? There.
I let you.
Can't see now, can ya? Bitch boy.
In baptism.
I declare it
Wait,
that
Joey, finish
I
last.
JK is trying. All right.
Joey, how'd you finish last?
NSS moments that really f my car.
Cheese,
Put it in,
bacon, egg, and cheese. Cheese.
All right, Bucko.
Yeah, I'm
Egg and
stopping
cheese,
recording
cheese,
now.
cheese.
This was a mistake.